Hello guys, welcome back na naman dito sa ating YouTube channel guys. So ngayon, ang ginagawa natin is nagprint tayo ng lanyard Idealist printing. Yan. Continuation ito guys doon sa ginawa natin last time. So school pa rin to, Davao City National High School. Ito, yung ginawa natin. Ayan. Junior High School. Ito. Davao City National High School, Junior High School. Yan. Yung ginagawa natin ngayon. So, for the meantime, magpiprint muna tayo. And then, kapag na-ano na to, na-assemble na, na-hit press na, and then na-assemble, I will post another video para sa quality guys, para makita nyo yung quality ng ating printing. Ayan. Yan yung ginawa natin ngayon. Dito sa printing services natin guys, we are aiming for the good quality, best quality. So kaya ganyan. Ako mismo yung operator ng machine, ako mismo yung quality check sa lahat ng mga ginagawa natin dito para talaga yung customer natin is satisfied sila sa mga output natin. Ayan. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Visit na rin kayo sa ating YouTube channel. Doon may mga tutorial pa rin doon na I will recommend for the newbie or beginner sa printing natin, printing services. Yan. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe guys. Like and subscribe sa ating channel. Thank you very much for watching.